I believe I can fly. Oh, I believe. Oh!
Crash detected.
Oh!
Crash detected.
Mama! Mama! Oh, yeah!
And find cassowary here. Thanking you, sir. I'll be sure to do that. Hubert departed the viewing box, coin pouch clutched possessively in both hands. That left Lucian and Cassowary alone, the younger man looking nervously at his employer. Lucian glanced at the younger man, his own face. I'm looking to buy some more ointment and potions, Belinda told Janice. And some crystal wash.
Jesus Christ, dude.
The magic cleaning fluid was more expensive than a shower, but Sophie kept ending up drenched in blood. She knew Jory produced some to sell at the Adventure Society trade hall.
Go well beyond affordability. That's why Comcast is building a network of digital navigators, local individuals who help connect people to the
You're on camera.
Don't make me stop. Merge over. Give me a free clear. Oh God, merge.
No. That's not how that works.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Also, bro, with that being said, man, I just want to say this. Man, bro, it was so bittersweet seeing my father off at the airport, man. That's not the way I envisioned it, bro. I told you guys the story. My sister agreed to come, and then she bailed out. So
butterfly things or something. Holy shit. Holy.
What a moron.